Welcome to the Hilton Cabo Verde Sal Resort. A unique and privileged beachfront resort where the sun shines throughout the year. Located in the colourful town of Santa Maria in Sal Island, a unique melting pot of African, Brazilian and Portuguese cultures. Our cheerful and attentive staff is here to make your stay unforgettable. Relax in one of our elegant rooms with breathtaking views and create unforgettable memories. Let the sound of the waves caress your dreams. Let the sun kiss your skin and breathe in the pure, fresh air of the Atlantic Ocean. Disconnect from the routine. Embrace the slow rhythm of the island. Read a book, maybe two, or listen to that playlist you're keeping for special moments. Make this your home away from home. Take a dip in our natural pool to start the day and be amazed by the stunning sunrise. Take care of yourself. Enjoy the silence. Feel like royalty and enjoy our presidential suite with breathtaking views over Santa Maria Beach. Enjoy a bubble bath while seeing the ocean. Enjoy the sea breeze, the view, the magnificent weather, the wild nature. Enjoy every moment. Build dear memories. In any of our rooms, your stay will be unforgettable. Meet, succeed, and celebrate special moments. Discover the world through a colourful palette of international flavours. Sink your toes in the soft sand of the pristine white beach, just a few steps from your doorstep. Dive in the turquoise warm waters of one of the best beaches of Africa. Have fun. Dine with your feet deep in the sand and with the ocean waves as background. In the Bounty Beach Restaurant, all your senses will come to life. Enjoy little pleasures. Indulge yourself in the art of mixology. Feel the rhythm and the music. Don't wait until others tell you about us. Experience it by yourself.